In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to apply a vendor credit in Intuit QuickBooks Online. Before we jump in, here's the big idea. A vendor credit is what you record when a supplier gives you money back or reduces what you owe, maybe because you returned items or received a discount. Instead of paying the full bill, you'll apply that credit to lower the amount due. We'll first record the credit, and then we'll apply it to the relevant bill. Start by recording the vendor credit. In QuickBooks Online, click the New button at the top left, then choose Vendor Credit. This opens a form that looks similar to a bill, but it reduces what you owe rather than increasing it. Enter the vendor name exactly as it appears on your bill, so QuickBooks links things correctly. Add the amount of the credit and, if needed, include a date, category or item, and a brief memo so you remember why the credit was issued. These details help keep your books clear and make your reports easier to read later. Once you've entered the essentials and created the credit, QuickBooks will hold it for you until you're ready to use it. Next, let's apply that credit to a bill. Go to Expenses on the left panel, then open the Bills tab. Here, you'll see a list of your bills. Find the bill from the same vendor that the credit applies to. When you're ready, click Mark as Paid on that bill. This takes you to the payment screen, where you'll choose how the bill is being paid. In the payment info, select the vendor credit so it's used to reduce the total amount of the bill. You'll see the bill total adjust instantly. If the credit equals the full bill amount, the bill will show as paid with no cash leaving your bank. If the credit is smaller than the bill, QuickBooks will show a remaining balance so you can pay the difference by your usual method. If the credit is larger than the bill, the unused portion stays available to apply to another bill from the same vendor. Before you confirm, double-check the vendor name, the amount of the credit being applied, and the date. Small details like the transaction date and a clear memo can make reconciliation much smoother at month end. When everything looks right, finish the payment to lock in the application of the credit. That's all there is to it. Record the vendor credit, head to Expenses, open the Bills tab, mark the bill as paid, and select the vendor credit to reduce what you owe. With this workflow, your accounts payable stays accurate and your cash position remains clear.